Do you deserve to be successful? Because I don't. I've once come across this TikTok that said, if someone followed you around for a week, would they believe you were serious about your goals? This last week, I didn't do shit for my goals. I didn't work enough. I barely worked this past week. I was procrastinating the whole week. I was waking up late, going to bed late, and doing some bullshit that may put me farther away from my goals and getting me closer. And for that, I don't think I deserve to be successful. Just today, I woke up at 10 a.m. I didn't do any work at all till 2 p.m. From 2 to 5 p.m., I worked for about 3 hours, but I was barely working. Those 3 hours, maybe I worked for about 1 hour. I really like me really working, and for that, I don't think I deserve to be successful. I can't even do the work. I don't even do the work. How can I be successful? To get what you want, you must deserve what you want. The world is not yet a crazy enough place to reward a whole bunch of undeserving people. And that's why I asked you this question. Do you think you deserve to be successful? What are you doing? What action did you take that would lead you to success? Most people think deserving is just, my life is bad, so I deserve to become successful. Life doesn't work that way. The person who deserves success is the one that worked for it, the one that worked his ass off to achieve success, not the lazy one like me. Lazy people don't deserve shit in this life, and I believe that. I don't deserve success, and that's why I hate myself. This current version of me is procrastinating. He's not going through the work. I'm not going through the work. Let me take accountability for all of my bullshits. I'm not going to the work. I'm not working near enough. I'm procrastinating. I'm putting things for tomorrow. I'm not managing my money well. And for that, I don't think I deserve success, and that's why I hate myself. I'm fed up of my current situation. I'm fed up of being broke. I hate when people have power over me. I like to control my life, but currently I have no power over my life. I must do what people say I have to do because I have no choice. I don't have money, I'm poor. I am far from the freedom I want, and that is painful. We must use pain as fuel. We must use pain as motivation. If your life is bad enough, you don't need motivation. Just look around. Do you want to continue living in this current situation? Do you want this to be your life? Don't you want to achieve your goals? Don't you have the drive? Aren't you suffering enough? Aren't you fed up of your current life? Because I am. I am fed up of this life. I don't want to live this kind of life anymore. I hate my current self, and I will kill this motherfucker. I will do everything in my power to kill this current version of me and become a new version. A new version that is capable of achieving my goal, that is capable of reaching the freedom I want, because my main goal in this life is freedom. I want to be financially free. I want the freedom to live wherever the fuck I want in this planet. Why am I restricted by some imaginary lines drawn by people who... Why would I be stuck inside some imaginary land when the whole world is open? I want to live on my own. To get that freedom, we must go through the pain. We must deserve that freedom because everyone wants freedom. Everyone wants to achieve their goals. But if we're being honest, not all of us can achieve our goals. Only the one who would really deserve to achieve it will. Maybe there are some people who will get lucky, but we don't want to rely on that. Do you want to rely on luck? Where did luck take you so far? We can't rely on that. And we must go through the work. We must go through the pain. There's a YouTuber that used to say, do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. And that one line is the recipe for success. Do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like it. Today was day 19 of my challenge, where I have to go from zero to $10,000 a month in 100 days. And I think the challenge just started. Tomorrow, if I don't wake up at 6 a.m., do my morning routine like shower, exercise, pray, and read some Quran. After that, I will work on my niche research. I will finish that document and have my avatar V1 ready. And I will write an offer. I will pick a problem and write an offer. And I will do at least, I will send at least 30 cold DMs, 30 outreach messages. After that, I will study math for 4 hours. If I don't do that, this challenge is over. Like, I'm really fed up of being this current version of myself. I want to make it in life. I want to achieve my goals, and for that I must go through the pain. Right now I'm following a Right now I'm following a free program that is teaching me how to build and grow a business. It's the best program of its kind and it's totally free. You will be dumb not to join it. It's the first link in the description. Go there and click it. It's the program. It's really life changing. Go there and click it. So pain is growth. Success is suffering. Go through the pain. Do the work.